This video will be how to place a product from your e-commerce store onto Gumtree. Now, why Gumtree, you may ask? So, Gumtree can be very good for your e-commerce store, as it can provide a great source of organic traffic, right? So it can be completely free, but then you have options to, say, upgrade your ads, for example, and actually get a variety of benefits, and even in some cases you can get the actual product to link to your website. So in this case, I'm going to use our product list because it just creates more of an efficient flow, I'd like to say. So I'll just check something first. Okay, so I'll just find a product example. So I'm going to go this one, for example. Now, because all these products are already on our store, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our store and go search, and then click on the product. And now, obviously, obviously, but great thing is Gumtree is quite an efficient platform. You don't really come across problems like you might with, like, say, Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, what we'll do is you go on the home screen, make sure you have an account. Obviously, can be personal, can be a business one linked to your store, but you want to go post an ad, and then you can do jobs and services, real estate, vehicles, but I reckon just the best thing to do is post an item like this. Now you want to get the product, put the title in, and then it's going to come up with a variety of different categories to pick. So this is when it can get a bit tricky. So you will want to have a look at things. But for this one, home and garden, and I could put tools and DIY, or I could put this, that. I'll have a look. You can have a look. So yeah, I reckon garden tools, maybe. Yeah, that could. I have had a look at the other ones. This probably is best, so I'll click next. So it is tricky, right? Because Gumtree won't allow you to do variants, because technically it isn't a product website. It's not designed for you to have products like you would on the store. But what we'll do is we'll put them all in individually. So they both use the same title, so I could put, obviously that's already in there, and then this one here, put that in there. So maybe I will state what this one is. So I'll go 20 meter, yep. And obviously it's a product we're offering, we're not wanting it. So we'll go photos, and then I'll go to the number for it, this one, and then the 20 meter one. And then we'll paste it in. So there's similar images to this one, just obviously not with both of them. And it can take a little bit for them to pop in. And then what I like to do is I often like to get the color one and put that second or even first image in some case. But to keep consistency for what I've done so far, I'll do this, and then item description. So I'll go like this. Copy it, paste it in. Now we do want to have a look at it, because this is related to both of them. So see how it's 10 meter or 20 meter. We just want to put in, oh actually that's not even right. Yeah, we'll need to fix that, but basically we'll go up in here carefully, and then we'll just get rid of that and put that in. Sometimes it's good to have a double check of this again. Looks good. Right, and obviously, given that we're doing it for e-commerce, we're not selling used items, we'll press new. And then we'll have, obviously, you put some contact details, you put a phone number in. Here's an example. You can link it to your website, but it will cost you. You can upgrade it, you can do all these add-ons. some of them can be really great, but if you're listing hundreds of products, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you're targeting certain ones, it would be good. So post ad, and basically it is that simple. It won't really get much more complicated than that. And it'll say congratulations, and then they will check it. So they'll say, like, let's have a look here. Yep, they'll say pending review, and then they'll check it. And then in most cases it will work completely fine. And then what we can do is obviously post an ad, do the second one, and basically, yeah, as simple as that. That's why Gumtree can be very good. You may or may not know if it works well for your store, but it's always worth trying it out.